Hi guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to have control of your breakout rooms, because last time when we were doing the breakout rooms there was a kind of chaos because you were not able to jump in from one breakout room to the other. So in this video I will tell you one of the extension through which you can control at one spot all of your breakout rooms. So the first thing you have to do is go to your Chrome web store and look for the Google Meet breakout room. So the first step is to look for Google Meet breakout room in your Chrome web store and download it. So I have already done that. So it will be in my Chrome extension. So download from the Chrome web store the Google Meet breakout room. So the next step is go to your extension and it will be already there if you have downloaded it. So I'm gonna open this. It's the Google Meet breakout room extension and it looks like this. So the second step after downloading is there are several tabs on the top of this. Go to courses. So in this you're going to create the classes or the periods which you want to have the breakout rooms. So I have already created the first two periods, so period 1 and 2, but I'm going to tell you how to add the classes to this. So there is a plus tab, click on that, and it's going to open a column, and you're going to write in that period 3, and period 3 is suppose honors biology. Now next, don't forget to save it. So I'm gonna save it from this save button, and you can keep on adding the classes with this plus tab and save it. So I've already got first, second, and third period, and you can keep on adding to fifth, sixth. So with this tab, you can add the classes to that. So the second step is creating your classes through the courses tab. So when you have already created these classes, so the next is click on the tab which says rooms. So this is going to open you this page. Now, if you remember, we have made and assigned the different students in different breakout rooms. So I'm not going to go over this step because we have already done that. So open the page or the document in which you have assigned the students in different breakout rooms through giving it a name or whatever you have done with the names, or if you're given breakout 1 or 2, or if you have given any name to that. So open that document. Let's suppose I want to add to my period 3. So I have opened the document period 3 in which I have already assigned the students under different breakout rooms, and my rooms were named after the superheroes. So the next thing I'm going to do is click on the courses. So it will show you all those periods or the courses which you have created. So let's suppose I want to do is period 3, click on that. Now it's going to show you in period 3 the main room. So what's going to be your main room link. So I'm going to go back to my Google Classroom and open my period 3, and I'm going to copy the main room link from here. Control C, and I'm going to go back to my extension, and I'm going to paste it here with Control V. So that is going to be my main room. Now I want to add the breakout rooms. So the next will be you go to this plus tab, click on that, and it's going to open up a whole thing for your link. So you can name anything like whatever you've given it, Spider-Man, or let's suppose I'm gonna give it breakout room number 1. And I'm gonna add another breakout room. So you can, in that period, you can add as many breakout room as you can. So I'm gonna put it here as a short from breakout number 3, or sorry, 2. And you can keep on adding how many breakout rooms you have got in that period. So keep on clicking on the plus tab and it will keep on doing with the breakout rooms. So I'm gonna, let's suppose I'm going to have 4 breakout rooms. So I will click on and create 4 of the breakout rooms. So you can create as many as you have planned and you have in that period. So let's suppose, for example, I have created 4 breakout rooms. So what I'm going to do is go back to your document on which you have created the links and put all the students under those breakout rooms. So what I'm going to do is click on this and I'm going to copy this link. And I'm going to go back to my extension and I'm going to paste this link here under that breakout room. Again, I'm gonna go down to another breakout room, copy link, and I'm going to go back to my link, paste it, go to my another link of the copy that link, go back to my breakout room number 3, paste it, and let's do one more. So this I'm gonna copy the link, go back and paste it. So now I have created my main room and the breakout rooms in that period. So what I'm gonna do is don't forget to save it. So I'm going to save this. So the second step was to paste those breakout room and the main room link into the category which says rooms. The next step is go to the Meet. Now, here you have to create or choose courses. So I'm gonna choose period 3. So you can choose the courses from the top. And let's suppose I have, or from here, like you choose any of the period you wanna do the breakout session. And don't forget to choose the breakout rooms through. So I have 4 breakout rooms, so I'm gonna go for 4 breakout rooms. And it has selected my period 3 with 4 breakout rooms. So now what you're going to do is I'm going to start the class. So you have to click on this and it will open your 3 options. So open sync main room, open sync breakouts, and open sync both. So I'm going to open sync both. That means it's going to open your main classroom as well as the breakout room. So I'm going to open this. So it's going to open my 4 classrooms with the main room. Now, here you have all those in different tabs, open and tile. Now, how you can control that? So let me close these, and I'm ready for doing my breakout session, how I'm going to control from one spot, and I'm going to tell you how. So go back to your control, and this says main, so I can control broadcasting from here, the tab. Like I can start the video on all the breakout rooms. You can see like it started in all the breakout rooms, or if you want to do it from main room also. So I have started the video in that. Now you can control your uh, communication by going here, and you can control here. So it's broadcasting to all the breakout rooms. And also you have the panel to control the main room also here. Now, if I want to go from one tab to other, so this will give me the leverage to go from one breakout room. So it says breakout room number 1, and I can go and open the video tab for this, and I can communicate with them. Let's see here, and then I'm gonna navigate to another breakout room, and it's going to open there, so I can communicate with them. Oops, that's a main breakout room, so here I can do that, and I can communicate with them, and then I'm done with this. Then I can move on to my third breakout room, and I'm going to communicate with them. So here's the control for the breakout room, and you can also, if you say, okay, I'm done with all those sessions, so you can go to all breakout rooms and tell them, okay, people, you times it up, and you can all join the main room. So this is the panel or the control through which you can control all of the uh, controls for the different breakout rooms. There are different options given here. So like assign breakout rooms, which you have already done, and there are different options for that. So you can randomly assign the kids in there. So you will see a whole list of students if they are joined. You can give the assignments if somebody is going to be recorder, or if somebody is going to be a timekeeper. So if you have different students, it will show you all the list, and you can give them different assignments to do. So hopefully this video is going to help you, and if you have any question, you know where to reach out for me. Thank you.